Okay, I'm cooking, we call it sotonghon, chicken sotonghon. Alright. Sauteing the onions first, and then we're going to add the celery. We're going to add the celery next. Sauteing the onions and the celery root, leftover celery. Next we're going to add the chicken and then the garlic. Chicken. Okay, this is how it looks like when you saute everything. Chicken, the garlic, onions, and the celery, of course. We're going to put the green onion with the soup and the noodle. We're ready to put it to the big pot. So it looks like. I'm ready to put it in the big pot. Looks delicious already. Hey, this is how it looks like in the pot without the noodle. I'm gonna put the noodle in pretty soon. This is called sotonghon grass noodle soup. Simple as can be. You can eat it on. You can have it on very cold weather, or when you're not feeling so good, make you feel better. It mostly warm your soul if you eat the soup. That's why I like about eating soup. I'm gonna let it boil, and you're gonna put the noodle in. Okay, this is how it looks when it's boiling. I'm gonna put the noodle in the soup. After we put the noodle in the soup, we're going to put the green onions. It's ready to eat. Okay, that's how it looks like with noodles. So you can see the noodle. Here's the noodle. Looks good already. Okay, this is how it looks like when it's boiling with the green onions. Looks delicious already.